Hi everyone, so today we're doing our rabbit dissection. First I'm going to do the ventricle side of the rabbit. I've already pretty much dissected it, so now all I'm going to have to do is show you what points are what. So I'm going to be using my tweezers to show you guys kind of pulling up the muscle. Right here it's a little bit pink. And as you can see on the other side, pull that skin back. So right here, if you can see this muscle, it connects the clavicle and the sternum, and it's called the sternocleidomastoid. So yeah, this kind of connects everything right there. On the other side, it's a little bit torn up. So I'm just going to show you guys from this side. It does connect. There's a lot of connective tissue up here. There we go. And you can see it's pretty thin. That's a sternocleidomastoid right there. Along this and picking it up. Okay, so moving on. Here we have the pectoralis muscle. I tried to pick it up as much as I can, but it's pretty flat on there, as well as the other side. And I can tell it connects right here at the bottom for the arm. Yep, there's a pretty good amount of connectiveness over there. And then we have the serratus anterior, which is right along this side. You can see the serrated lines, actually. You see over here is the serrated lines in the rectus abdominis, or excuse me, the external obliques. So the obliques are going to run at an angle, unlike the rectus abdominis, which you can see in here, the lines of the inner abdominal muscle. You can see the lines going up and down. So that's how you can tell if it's the external and internal oblique, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it for the ventral side, and I will do the dorsal side now. Okay, so now I'm on the dorsal side of the rabbit. So it's kind of hard to peel these ears back, but you can see here's some connective tissue. This right here is the trapezius muscle, known as the traps. It goes all the way down to about here and comes all the way up to about the top, in between the head and the shoulder right here. And then right below it, there's a little pocket spot for the infraspinatus. Oh yes, infraspinatus. If I can get this ear to move right about under here. I don't know if you can see this right there. That's the infraspinatus. Right there, this little tiny muscle. And then we move to the lats. So right here is the lat muscle. It's really hard to see. There's a whole bunch of connective tissue that's not really want to come off. But as you can see little lines. That is the lat muscle on the back. And then we have, going back up, the rhomboid minor, which is right, sorry, this ear is going to give me trouble, gotta pin it back. If it stays, tried that before and it didn't work. Okay, So right here we have the rhomboid major. It is a little bit bigger than the minor muscle, which is right here. So the major, and then right a little bit under to the side, the minor, and then that is it for the dorsal. So we have, again, the lat, the infraspinatus, right in there. We have the trapezius, the rhomboid minor, rhomboid major.